In this video, I'll be going over how to find the quartile, specifically the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. And the steps are as follows. The first, we want to sort by order. Second, we want to find the median. Third, we will find the median of the lower and upper percentile. And below is a data set already sorted by order. And we're going to find each of the percentile. So the median portion would be the 50th percentile of the entire data set. So all we got to do is find the median, which is the middle number of the whole data set. Since there are 4 numbers from the left and 4 numbers from the right, so 11 would be the median. So we can simply write E11 here. Now we need to find the 25th percentile, which is the first quartile, and then the 75th percentile. For the 25th percentile, which is the lower quartile, we're trying to find the middle number, which is the median, here. As there are even count of the number, we would need to take the 5 and the 8 and find the average of the 2 numbers. And that would be the median of the lower quartile. So we take 5 plus 8, divide by 2 for the average. 5 plus 8 is 13 over 2. And that becomes 6.5. So that would be the lower percentile for this data set. Now for the upper quartile, we are looking at these 4 numbers and we want to find the median. And again, this is also 4 numbers, so it's even count. And so we need to take the 15 and 18, add them together, divide by 2 to get the average. And that will give us 33 over 2, which equals 16.5. And that's the upper quartile of the data set. Now here is another example of a different data set, and we're going to find the median, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile. This data set has a total of 8 numbers, unlike the 9 numbers that we had previously. So that means that we now have 4 numbers to the left and 4 numbers to the right. And if we want to find the median, it will have to be right here. So that would be the number between 27 and 32. So we'll take 27 plus 32 divided by 2 to get the average. And that will give us 29.5. Now for the lower quartile, we're looking at these 4 numbers. And we need to find the median here, and that's 14 and 19. And to find the average between 14 and 19, we will divide that by 2. That becomes 33 over 2, and which is 16.5. So that's the lower quartile. The upper quartile also has 4 numbers, and we need to find the median. And so we take the 35 and the 42. Then divide by 2 to get the average. That gives us 77 over 2, which is 38.5. So these 2 data sets are how you would go about finding the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.